The Bible can be an intimidating book. Many people don't read or study it because they lack confidence in their ability to understand it. But the Bible was written for you. It's God's message to you. And there's important things He wants you to know. So today I'm going to share 3 questions that will help you better understand any part of the Bible. Let's get into it. Hey, it's Andrew with Into the Harvest, and our mission is to help you be a disciple and make disciples in the everyday places of life. We make videos and create resources to help you live your faith in the 21st century. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you never miss out. A wise man once said, it's hard to find the right answers if you don't ask the right questions. Oftentimes we miss the truth because we're not asking questions or we're asking the wrong questions. Asking questions is a huge unlock to growing in our understanding of God's truth and helping others grow in their understanding. We see this in Jesus. He was a master at teaching by asking questions. More often than not, He answered someone's question by asking a question. Asking Jesus, should we pay taxes, resulted in Jesus asking a question in return. Whose likeness is on the coin? And this simple technique allowed people to reach the right conclusions. Give to Caesar the things that are Caesar's. Today, I'm going to share 3 questions you can ask that will revolutionize your understanding of Scripture. Are you ready for them? What, so what, and now what? The first question to ask as you're reading the Bible is what? What does the Scripture you're reading say? Now, here's a warning. It's easy to skip this first question when you're reading the Bible, and there's a couple reasons. First, we're not paying attention. This happens in real conversations, right? Sometimes I'm only half paying attention when someone else is talking, and I realize I haven't really heard what they were saying. And that's a good time to ask, what did you say? A second reason why we skip asking what is we're in a rush to understand. Instead of focusing on hearing what God has said, we're in a hurry to decide what we think about it or what it means to us. Don't rush the process. This first question is about noticing details, the who, what, where, and when. Let the Bible speak for itself. Don't overcomplicate it. The second question you should ask as you read the Bible is, so what? Why does it matter? What's at stake? Asking this second question is critical because it tells you why you should care about what you're learning. The first question develops your understanding. This second question fuels your motivation. Asking what, but not so what, gives you knowledge that lacks significance. And knowledge without significance becomes trivia and leads to a trivial faith. Asking what and then so what leads to discovering truth that will change your life. The third question you should ask as you read the Bible is, now what? It's been said that God didn't give us the Bible to make us smarter. He gave us the Bible to tell us what to do. And that's why some people have described the Bible as basic instructions before leaving Earth. Asking now what forces you to bring the Bible into your daily reality. How should your values and actions change based on what you just read? Each time you read the Bible, run the passage through these 3 questions. What, so what, and now what? By the way, these questions are also a great framework to use to teach the Bible. Interactive teaching is almost always better than lecturing, so give this a try. Read through a story from the Bible with an individual or small group, and then work through it by asking the 3 basic questions. What, so what, and now what? Asking what happened in the story helps people notice the details. Asking so what helps them process why it's important. And asking now what helps them discover what they should do about it. Learning and teaching don't have to be complicated. Jesus calls us to a simple and pure faith. Learning to ask what, so what, and now what can help you be a disciple and make disciples. So give it a try. If this video was helpful, please click the like button and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.